Director wa mobilization mu kibiina kya NRM Dr. Rosemary Seninde izoberyanyu mwabazyo agizereho orukiko na n'obukiiko bw'abekibiina kya NRM hamwe n'abebembezi b'ekibiina eki omu Kikuube. Orukiko oru rubaire rugendereire kutema empenda okuwa ekibiina kya NRM kirasingemu akaruru ak'okutoorana chairman wa district ya Kikuube. Omu rukiko Seninde hashabira abanyakibiina kya NRM okugira emicwe Obumwe kandi bashagikyepade kisembo owagizire ngu niwe akwatirire ekibiina kya NRM omu karuru ako.
Tulina flag bearer atya era akaruru kaffe tulina kunoonyeza flag bearer wa kibiina. Kati gwe ne bw'obanga tewamuwagira si musango kubanga kya butonde okubaako ne gw'owagira. Naye oluvannyuma ebyo bwe biggwa mukomawo ng'abooluganda ab'omu nnyumba ne mutuula ne mukwata omuntu wammwe oba ne mukwata ekintu kyammwe ne mukiggusa kubanga at the end of the day olutabaalo muyina okuluwangula.
N'obukisembo yabaire wakabiri omu karuru aka NRM owasingire primaries za NRM Philip Mbabazi Bennett tarabasize kuhandiikwa akakiiko k'ebyobururu ahabw'okuba ebihandiiko bye bikaba birimu ebitashorongire gye nikwo NRM kushagika owabaire wakabiri omu karuru kukwata ebendera y'ekibiina.
2 weeks. You must have presented to Electoral Commission 2 weeks before the nomination, which didn't happen. And unfortunately, as if that's not enough, even on the day of nomination, the papers equating the qualifications were not there. So what miracle is going to happen is what I'm also wondering. What miracle? Because if the laws, are the laws going to be changed? Those are the questions that any layman will want to ask.
Bwanyuma ya Electoral Commission kweza kuhandika barikwenda kwetsimba hantebegi aho yahandikire abantu babiri Philip Mbabazi Bennett akayirkangira omu kakiiko k'ebyobururu arukwakanisa okuhandikwa kw'ababiri abetsimbire kandi obwahati abantu bategereize ebirarye omu kakiiko k'ebyobururu aha kwetomba itoko. Seninde nagira ngu ekiboto kirikubazibira kusherera obushagiki bw'okwatire ekibiina kya NRM bendera.
But as we speak, yes, I know there are some candidates who went and petitioned the Electoral Commission. We are very aware that the Electoral Commission will be able to decide on Wednesday. But that doesn't stop us because the Electoral Commission has not halted the campaign. That is number one. Number two, we must also not forget that, for example, if, for instance, I have a piece of land and somebody comes and says this is not your land, does it mean I leave that land there and then?
Wepade kisembo kwatire NRM bendera nagira ngu tatinde ebyo akakiiko k'ebyobururu karasharemu gwabo kuba ebirukugambwa tebiri mu muho.
Well, I don't expect much. I don't expect any kind of events because most of the complaints which were raised when we were served with the petition looked through it, and most of the complaints didn't hold a lot of water. Because in my submissions, when I was submitting my nomination forms, I was able to submit all the requirements that are required, and that's why I was able to be nominated.
Ogu nagira ngo cyayorekereire no kuhereza abantu ba Kikuube yaheza kutoranwa.
Agambo utandika nekyo ine. You start with what you have. Ndi musajja mulimisa with an experience of over 15 years. With the current rundi ne technologies ne bya buli magezi byone bikugenda mu bulimi ebintu ngire rundi ebinkumanyisibwa habo mulinge milimo enyikaire ninkora obukugu obu nibo bwampambirize kuikara ninsaba nyino okugonza nyetaga obukugu obu nsobole kuika hano nkwatarize n'abanyakikuube abalimi ninkimanya 99.something% abakusinga obwingi bali
Godwin Angeria RDC wa Kikuube nashaba abantu ba Kikuube okuma obusinge okutera karuru atya yongera agira ngubo ngabe byokwerinda no beija kukora gwabo.
All upon voter just to cooperate with forces so that we can keep peace, because I believe this election will be free.